Extreme gardening. What do you think? An Olympic sport? We've got a friend of the channel that thinks we ought to make this an Olympic sport. We're going to have to try to figure out the rules and whatnot, but right now we really are extreme gardening. It was beautiful today. Everything's uncovered. We did lose some stuff, but we're going to have to cover up. It's going to get back down to 7, another inch of snow by Monday. And see, like our kale here, this is doing just fine. We got a little Swiss chard here. It got frozen quite a little bit, but it's not all mush. This plant is still alive. That Swiss chard is doing just fine. And our bok choy would have done better if the plastic hadn't laid on it. This Swiss chard in the corner is doing really, really well. This beet is doing really well. We wanted that to go to seed for us. But let's get her covered up. Now with these carrots, I think, let's go ahead and see what we got here. I think I'm going to pull these, and that way I don't have to worry about them. There you go. There's a carrot. These have been cold enough. These ought to be very sweet. So we got a couple nice ones in there. We got a couple little ones, but those are just bite size. Rinse those off. That'll be wonderful. Now I don't have to worry about covering this anymore. I did that on purpose. I want to add a little more protection in here. Now I think if the raised bed would have been wider, it would have had more mass, and it might have stayed a little warmer. But this way, we get a double layer in there. When it warms up tomorrow afternoon, we ought to be in a better shape. So if we're going to make an Olympic sport out of this, we're going to have to get the right tools. We still have our screen. So far this worked pretty good for the beets, turnips, and spinach. I guess Riley's more interested in getting a carrot. We want to thank you for stopping by, taking a look at extreme gardening. You can do this too. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.